Welcome back to Home Culture. Today I'm taking on a new challenge. I've refinished plenty of furniture on this channel, but can the same techniques be used to refinish a concrete garden statue? I'm on a stay tuned as I put my refinishing skills to the test and give this statue a new look. Let's get started. First, I'll clean and prep the surfaces just like I do with wood furniture. Then I'll apply all my regular refinishing products to see if I can bring this piece back to life. She's clean-ish, and I still want to remove as much paint as I can. So if this was a piece of furniture, I would use citrus strips. So that's what I'm going to do. But I can't do that in the sun because the citrus strip will just dry out. So I'm going to take her into the shade and give her a nice orange coating, like she's getting an orange tan. But it'll make her look really good. It has been a few hours, so now I'm going to take a peek to see if it actually worked at all. Ooh, it definitely bubbled up. Oh yeah, it's coming off. Let's get a scrapey tool. Oh, it's coming off. Since it's actually coming off, I'm going to see how much I can scrape off, and I might even try power washing it and see, hopefully I don't have to do another coat, but oh, not bad. It's like nice and flaky. Who would have thought? Yeah. Well, we both got pretty wet, but she cleaned up really well. There's still a few spots, but I think I might be able to sand that down. So right now, I'm gonna go take Madame and put her out in the sun to sunbathe and get nice and dry, right? You can see so much more detail now. Yeah, she cleaned up well. I guess so did I. Oh, it's so wet. Let's have a chat on how my little friend here turned out. She actually turned out really, really good. I have to say, citrus strip on concrete, 10 out of 10. Like that, with the power washer, that came off so well. She did dry overnight. She feels, I mean, I left her out in the sun for the rest of the day too. And I think she dried out really well. Now, if this was a piece of wood and I was going to stain it, and there's still like these little flecks of white left, I would then have to reapply another coat of the citrus strip and try to get all those bits off. If it was a piece of wood and I was going to be painting it again, and I had like these little bits, I would maybe try sanding them a little just to make sure there's no rough edges, make sure everything's smooth, and then I would just repaint it. And I am painting this, so I'm gonna keep treating this like it's a piece of furniture. And I'm gonna give her a little bit of a sand and then primer. This is actually turning out pretty awesome. She fits inside the spray tent. How perfect's that? Okay, well, I'm gonna mask up and prime her up. I can't believe she fits. I really like how this looks. Like there's just a really thin coat of primer. So it's kind of like a grayish, it looks like just freshly done stone. I don't know, this I think looks so pretty. But it's not staying like this, but I just wanted to say that this looks really pretty. She has had 2 coats of primer and I let her dry for about an hour, a little more than an hour because of the humidity. And now it's time to paint her white. I think she's gonna look amazing. Okay, I'm gonna mask up and everything, and then paint. A little update on my lady. So she has had so many coats of white spray paint that I've given up counting. Like seriously, I wouldn't be exaggerating if I said I've given her 10 coats already. I've gone through 3 cans that I had just like a little bit of spray paint left in them, and then 2 full cans of satin white. And now she's finally done. And she looks lovely. She's a very pretty lady. And she just needs top coat. And I'm gonna use a semi-gloss because she'll be outdoors and that sheen will wear off over time. But I do think that even though she does have like 10 billion coats on her already, I do want to protect her just a little bit more with some top coat. So another like, I don't know, innumerable amounts of top coat, and she'll be ready to go to her new home. Oh, and she looks really good. This is the first time I ever refinished anything made out of concrete. So if you have any tips or suggestions or something I could have done differently, let me know in the comments. With that, thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of the video, and I'll see you soon with another project. Bye! I'm Anna, and I don't remember what I'm gonna say. Sorry, ma'am, you're gonna get naked for a bit. She's going home now, right? Right, madame? You're gonna go to your new home. They're gonna love you. Yeah, you're gonna love it there. All right.